So the issue is main issues of income in this village, and as well as which organization existing in this village. Which is the main income of issues in this village. Regarding the village, what is the main income of villagers in this village?
And then tadi beliau juga bertanya tentang sumber pendapatan utama dari masyarakat di desa, kemudian kelompok-kelompok atau organisasi apa yang ada di desa.
As well as about the information collection, how, what, when some outsiders came in the village, how they collect information, what we contact at the first, and something regarding this matter.
Dan juga terkait dengan kedatangan pihak luar dari ke desa Bapak Ibu sekalian, kemudian jenis informasi yang biasanya mereka tanyakan pada saat mereka datang ke desa Bapak Ibu sekalian.